Catus, Maximus here. Just want to do a little video about this Eklind USA Fold-Uni-Drive number 45. And I don't know what it is with American tool companies, but they just love, it's Fold-Uni-Drive is what I think it really is. I think that's an I there. Doing weird things with words. This is an odd tool. I suspect this is probably quite old. Not from the 1950s, but I'm certainly could believe this to be a 70s or an 80s tool. It's really odd. It's set up like a folding Allen wrench set, except for it has a Phillips, which is kind of an odd one. It's like in between the number 1 and the number 2 Phillips. And then for some reason, it has 3 different slot heads. I guess a larger, a medium, and a small. And then a center punch or scratch awl. And I think the idea was maybe carpenters, but I think like maintenance or something where you'd have a screw, you'd just do a center punch to help get a hole started, and then you'd use one of these bits as a screwdriver. Now, as far as using it as a screwdriver, when you fold it out and they lock in place, to tell you the truth, it's actually not that bad of a screwdriver. You get a lot of good purchase on the body of this tool. It doesn't have any sharp edges, and you can reasonably drive screws. So I thought it was relatively effective. Nice big bolts going through it to keep it tight. Well, that doesn't keep it tight, it keeps it together. It uses a big piece of spring steel to actually provide friction on these, which is something that's not going to wear out. These will always have a nice amount of friction because of that. It's not relying on the side tension of these bolts. But this was just going to be a short video. Just thought this was just such an oddball kind of screwdriver. And of course, Eklind still is an American tool company, still makes a lot of their tools in the United States. But this was one I suspect, this is like a hardware store counter, item they sell in one of those little boxes on the counter, because it's just kind of a gimmicky little tool, and I could see it having only limited amount of actual usefulness. I guess the other thing to mention about being a screwdriver in this format is, of course, when you open it 90 degrees, if you have a real stubborn screw, but now you have this huge lever, and you can get an absolute ton of force on it. So anyway, just wanted to bring this to your attention, because that's kind of why I do on this channel, is find all sorts of unique tools and make a little video talking about them. Anyway, I really appreciate everybody who's been watching and subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Till next time, Catus Maximus out.